What's up, DNA gang? It's Mama Gemini, and I'm back with another vlog. Alright, y'all. I just picked the boys up from school. I told them I got a surprise for them. So we are currently on our way to see what the surprise is. Say what's up, Gemini brothers.
What's up, DNA gang?
What's up?
DNA gang?
Okay. Delano got glasses now. My son is so handsome. Alright, y'all. So we on our way to see what the surprise is. I'm gonna check back in with y'all when we get there. What's up, DNA gang? Okay, I done made it to the destination where the surprise is. Let's go. Let's see what the surprise is, guys. I'm gonna get back to you when I get in here. Alright, guys, we made it to our destination, and the boys they had a mask on their face. This is where we're going
Lamborghini.
to pick up the surprise. I'm gonna get back to you once we get the surprise because I can't record in the inside.
I felt that.
Okay, guys, you can take it off.
Oh!
Not yet. All right, DNA gang, we got the surprise. Show them your surprise,
We
guys.
got a puppy.
What's his name?
Chase.
So we got a puppy. His name is Chase. He's a Yorkie. Are you guys excited? Are you guys excited?
Yes.
All right, let's end this video. Like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.
All right, guys, we are here at Walmart shopping for Chase. Let's see. I need to get Chase a bed. Let me see. This is nice. Oh, look at this, guys. Look. No, we're not putting them in there.
They won't probably get out.
Let's see.
Oh, like that Chase.
Looking for Chase a bed.
He gonna run after us at home. It's gonna be funny. Alright, guys, this is what we have so far. We have some dog food, the bowls, a cage, the mats, the training pads, a toy. We ready, a bed. We ready. Let's go. Come on, guys. Alright, guys, we got the dog settled. This is his little space. I think I did a pretty good job. Let's get this potty training started and see where we go.